Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Amio with the wife Amy.
Hello.
And we're going to take a little break from our graded series episodes and do our rookie explosion box. This is the original box. We've had good luck. Some really good luck with the original boxes. We're just going to stick with it for now, see what happens. Here, I'll let you get the packs out. But this is what should be in there. 93 Topps, Series 1. 13 Panini Prism. 18 Heritage. 18 Topps Series 1. 19 Bowman. 21 Bowman. 21 Bowman Draft Light. And 2022 Series 1. If you want to try to get out on this, that's your best chance. Yep. Alrighty. So we got a 2006. I didn't see 2006 on there, right? Okay, so that's cool. We got like an extra pack. Got some Yankees on the front. Maybe that'll be good luck. So here's our 93 Topps. What are we looking for, Amy?
You know it.
Jeter. She said, you know it. We're looking for Jeter. So we'll do our 2006 Series 2 Topps. We'll check that out next. All right. Let's see who we got here. We got a Topps Gold. Topps Gold is on top like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mickey Tettleton. John Franco. Joey Cora. Juan Guzman. Kurt Manwaring. Mike Hartley. Steve Wilson. Pete O'Brien. Devano DeShields. Jose Rio. Steve Finley. Norm Charlton. Yeah, Charlton Sachs. Ellis Burks. And Sammy Sosa. No Jeter, she says. All right, we'll do the 2006 Series 2. Here, let's see what we get in that. I think that was an extra pack, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see what we get here. Moses Alou. Tim Hudson. Jose Lopez. Cleveland Rocks. Sizemore and Boone. Got an Alex Rodriguez, Top Stars. It's a pretty cool card, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Jason Ischenragenhauser. Steve Trashel. Jason Jennings. We got the checklist. Raymond Hernandez and Scott Hatberg. Alrighty. 13 Prism. We're looking for Nolan Arenado, Machado, and Garrett Cole. I don't think we've opened too much of this at all. Maybe a few packs here and there. Oh, couple packs too late there, Amy. Jeter. Here, we'll put your Jeter up, though.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put Jeter up.
Fair enough.
Chris Sale. Chase Headley. We got a Fearless. Brandon Phillips. Pretty cool. Rob Scahill. Scott Hill. And LJ Hose. All right. 18 Heritage. This is a retail, but we're looking for Ohtani, Devers, Bueller, and Albies. See if we can get one of them. Carlos Carrasco. Justin Smoke. Yan Gomez. Zach Greinke. Carlos Carrasco. Purple. Grichuk. Greg Bird. MVP Springer provides the power. And a Mike Fultonowicz. So there was two of those in there, right? The Carlos Carrasco, the regular, and then the purple. The regular and the purple. All right, we'll have to check Here, you want to open this 18 Series 1? Let's check the backs real quick. Just make sure. All right. I like the purples though, they look nice. Alright, what are we looking for here? Devers, Bueller, and Albies. So we got Sanchez, Garcia, Daniel Murphy. Got an Andujar rookie. Not the biggest thing, but we'll put it up there. We were high on him, but I don't know, see what happens. Kyle Seager. Got a George Springer World Series. Got Nick Williams rookie. Hunter Pence. Robbie Ray. And Jonathan Villar. Uh-oh, a little quiet this month. 2019 Bowman Retail. Franco, Rodriguez, Luciano, Marte, and Martinez. It happens. We've been hitting pretty good, you know. You never know. We still got some packs left, too. We've had a dud all the way through, and then Jake Bowers. You never know. There's a Corbin Burns rookie card. Justin Verlander. Berrios. Hosmer. Brent Rooker Chrome. Mitch Keller ready for the show. Nick Madrigal. I like that. Logan Webb. Chrome. McKenna. And Chisholm. I like Chisholm too, so there we go. 21. Bowman Retail. Looking for Martin, Perez, Jordan, Acosta. Is that Pomerez? Pomerez, I think it is. Cespedes and Alcantara. Got some chromes in there. Let's see. We got Anthony Rendon. Got a Mountcastle rookie. And we'll put Christian Javier rookie. Marquez. Otani. Charlie Blackmon. We got Ronnie Mauricio, Luis Carpio, and Riley Gilliam. Pipeline for the Mets. Emerson Hancock. Christopher Morel. Bryce Jarvis. Grayson Rodriguez. And Alek Manoah. All right. We got the draft. 21. Draft light. Looking for Meyer, House, Lawler, Davis, Montgomery, Williams, Jay Allen. We hit the Jay Allen last time. The blue chrome rookie auto. Manzardo and White. So Harris, Kellington, Mazzucato, Drew Gray, Max Meyer. No, it's Chad Patrick, Gunnar Henderson. There it is.
Yep, there you go.
Marcelo Meyer. We'll take that. Or May. No, I think it's Meyer, I think. Yeah, I think that's how they say it.
Could be.
And then here we got a Pinigo. Hold on. Sorry about that. So we got that guy. Yeah, there you go. Austin Love. Groshans. McCann. Chandler. Yep. And Julio Rodriguez. All right, last pack. 2022 Series 1. We're looking for Franco, Marsh, and Duran. We did pick up some nice rookies, though. Like that Marcelo. Okay, we got Jake Myers. Patrick Wisdom Cup card. Eric Hosmer. Mike Moustakas. Marco Gonzalez. The flip. Yadi Molina. The fake out flip. Jake Rogers. Kyle Gibson. Robbie Grossman. We got a 87 throwback Wade Boggs. It's cool. Burns, Scherzer, and Bueller. ERA leaders. Got the Yankees. Team card. Didi. And Logan Gilbert. So not the best box we ever got, but it's been good to us lately. Got a nice Marcelo there. Picked up some more decent rookies right there. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you hit the like button, comment below, subscribe if you're not. And until next time, keep collecting. Me and the wife are out. Later.